Hello, I'm here to give you a charging solution for the HTC when your charging port is broken. I went to Batteries Plus and I found a charger that will charge your cell phone battery without using the port. It's very simple to use. The name brand is, let's see if we can see this right here. It costs about $25. You can probably get it cheaper on Amazon. It's really simple to use. You remove your battery. It doesn't matter which way you place it underneath this clip. You adjust these two sliders so that this pin hits the very last terminal and then this pin hits the very first terminal. And then you flip it over and plug it in. So this is an easy solution if you are like me and can't quite upgrade yet or choose not to upgrade, whatever your choice. $25, can't beat that.